how to do instant drill 3. And in instant drill 3, I will show you the method which is different from the textbook. So if I want in the inequality, if we call this one, we call left hand side, and this one we call it right hand side. And a very important concept if I want to show this is left hand side is greater than right hand side or not, we just minus together. Left hand side minus right hand side, it must be greater than 0. If not, then it is not true. Okay, it's a very important concept. So for instant drill 3a, left hand side is x minus 3, and I just minus right hand side is x minus 5 is equal to negative 3 plus 5, which is equal to 2. That means it's greater than 0. So x minus 3 is greater than x minus 5 is true. Okay, so for question B, if y over 3 is greater than y over 2, is it true or not? For left hand side is y over 3, and right hand side is y over 2. So this time y over 3 minus y over 2 will equal to 6 over 2y minus 3y, which is negative y over 6, because y is less than y is greater than 0. Okay, so y is greater than 0, so minus y over 6 is less than 0. That means and y over 3 is less than y over 2, so y over 3 greater than y over 2 is not true. Okay, this finish of instant drill 3. And on instant drill 4 is the application question. When the temperature at ground level is 20 degrees, the temperature at a place h kilometers higher the ground level is given by the formula. If the height of the mountain is not greater than 5 kilometers, so that means this is the height, is not greater than, so less than or equal to 5. So what is the lowest possible temperature? That means T at the peak. So we start from h is less than or equal to 5, and we just change from this inequality to the formula given. So first of all, we multiply negative 6.5 on both sides. And remember, if this is negative sign, so change the sign to greater than or equal to. After that, I just make some simplification, which will becomes negative 32.5. And then we add 20 on both sides, so 20 minus 6.5h is greater than or equal to 20 minus 32.5. So add 20 on both sides. Finally, we get 20 minus 6.5h is greater than or equal to negative 12.5. And this is T. So then in conclusion, T is greater than or equal to 12.5. So write down the statement. So the lowest possible temperature is negative 12.5 degrees. So that's the end of instant drill 4.